slick fast. Thanks for the idea, lollyhead. Leave me alone, folks. Choo choo. You didn't listen. I asked to be here in the ruins by myself, and you didn't listen. There's only one place I can think of more lonely and empty than this place, and you've all pushed me to this.
What on Four's BRB is going on up there?
I think he might be propelling up. The BRB is lifting, guys.
We're flying! This is not a happy occasion, Ruby! We're flying!
There's only one place I can think of more lonely and empty than this place. Just leave me alone already.